I would like to nominate Chu and Tandeka. First with Chu, Kaya bakphethe endlini, you're not going anywhere. And I also feel like you're two-faced, so that's why I'm nominating you. Tandeka, I just would love to see her go through those doors. That's it. Yeah, big brother, Tandeka and Chu.
First one I'd like to nominate is Q. The reason being is I think he's the strongest player in this game. He's been up every week and he still comes out strong. So it's just game recognizes game in a sports world. Q is the strongest and I'd like to nominate Q. Second one is for the same reason. Melee, I think Melee is one of the strongest players also in the game. So we were competing today for Head of House. They proved that they are strong and they are very competitive. It's just game recognizes game, big brother.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Q and Melee.
Big Brother, I'd like to nominate Q and Melee. Q doesn't like me and he can't even pretend. And I'm sure he's going to nominate me tonight. Melee and I don't have any sort of a friendship. As Azan, we don't know each other. And I'm sure he's going to nominate me as well. So my nominations are Q and Melee.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Q and Melee, Big Brother.
You may take a seat.
Big Brother, I nominate Tandeka and Melee. The reason for Tandeka is that I've never met such an inconsiderate, rude person in my life, and I cannot live with that person in the same house. And then for Melee, I feel like if he's a good guy, he would not let his partner do such things, say such things. So birds of the same feather flock together, and he might survive this one. The partner must go.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Tandeka and Melee, Big Brother.
You may take a seat.
I nominate Tandeka for your body, Big Brother, and Q, Big Brother. Tandeka, we all know why. Also, she's made it this far, standing up every week. So, yeah, strong one, that one. But also very rude and disrespectful. Q, justice for Neliswa, love it down, shout out. That's my reasons, Big Brother.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Tandeka, Big Brother, and Q, Big Brother.
Brother, in this game, the only thing that I've noticed is that you should be scared and worried about the underdog. So, here's my answer. I'm going to nominate Q and Elano. The reason is that I've seen it happen before, and they scare me. Those who are not on the spotlight are those who should be worried about. That would be my reason.
Of OBE.
Big Brother.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Q and Elano.
You may take a seat.
First, as you all know, King Wanda, Big Brother. Reason being, the prophecy needs to come to. It needs to happen, Big Brother, more than anything. And then the second one is, Liema. I thought Liema and I coming inside here were going to be brothers and sisters, Big Brother, but apparently it doesn't look like that. So, yeah, She needs a bumper sticker. Kwa.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
King Wanda and Liam.
Big Brother, I'd like to nominate Q and Tandega. Reason for Q is that I still blame her for Nliso's departure. And with Tandega, I feel like she's rude and she's a hypocrite because she says things to other people that she also does. So, yeah.
Confirm your nominations for
Q
Big
and
Brother.
Q and Tandega.
You may take...
Tandega and King Wanda. The reason goes to the both of them. Unhygienic, that's all.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Tandega and King Wanda.
Big Brother. First one, Trixie. Let's be strong both together and stand and be strong. I've stood longer, so let's have a go at it. Other reasons, I don't think they matter. I tell you to your face anyway, so that's known. Second one is Dee Dee, because I feel that in order for her to avoid certain experiences, she must learn as a woman to stand on your own. A man does not tell you what to do. And I don't think this environment would teach her that. It's kind of out there. So that's why I'm putting her out, because she thinks a man is my keeper, because he's not. We're together because we love each other, and that's it. He doesn't own me. So, yeah.
Tandega.
Yes, Big Brother.
Big Brother would like for you to elaborate on your reasons for nominating Trixie.
Well, she's been standing a while, I think, by now. I think she's sat only a few times. So, yeah, well, other reasons is her and I have a back and forth. Yeah.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Trixie and Dee Dee.
You may take your seat.